So in this video, actually, mainly we will focus on the applications of the neural network, mainly deep neural network. How it. So first is one is that object detection. So here it is that object detections. First application. So you can see here the lots of like it's a laptop, it's a bottle, it's a bowl, and we'll see using that the CNN convolutional neural network how we'll identify that objects of a particular one, a particular image. This is a one applications and major applications is that neural of the neural network. The second applications is that image changing the image. Suppose here you can see here it is a zebra, it's some of the zebra, and using the deep neural network we will convert that zebra in the form of a horse, like summer, the summer to winter I will convert it, winter to summers, horse to zebra, like like this kind of to convert a image to the same form of different image. This is another applications of the deep neural network. Similarly, the age facings, if we give that some ages between 0 to 1 and after 60 years old, so how it's look like. So this is one that the age facing. This is one applications of the neural networks. And another one is that the Instagram, the so the using the Instagram, you can use that one type of application. So here you can see these girls wearing this the jeans like that, and how will convert that form in the another form. Suppose here you can see it's wearing some jeans here, but it will convert using the deep neural network in the some different form. Here also you can see we using the deep neural network, we can trace change from that particular persons. So this is one app applications. Here also that text to image. This is text to image. This is another one. We have just given a text descriptions, and based on the text description, we will convert the text in the some form of a image. This is one applications of the deep neural network. Yeah, the bar has a yellow belly and tarsals, gray, black wings, and that kind of text are there. And based on that, we will convert that in some form of a image. We will also it's another applications. And another one is that the convert that resolutions image in some form of a higher resolution. So here you can see this is then just putting here the some small portions so of that particular image, and also small portions density, the pixel is so low, so how will convert that pixels in some the higher resolutions pictures. So this is one applications to convert so low resolutions picture in the form of a higher resolutions pictures. This is one applications of the deep neural network. And also for the image descriptions, if we put some image and if you want to extract the what are the descriptions of that particular region, this is one applications of the deep neural network. Suppose here you will give that input as some pictures like this, and this our neural network tell us that the person is walking along a beach with a big dog. Similarly here also. So this is one applications. Another applications is that image description, describing in details. So it is the image that I this image, and here using deep neural network we can describe what is the actually image talking about. Here it's taking a plate of food, a food on plate, a blue cloud, a blue cup on a table, a plate of foods, like that kind of descriptions, you'll automatically understand what it is. This is one applications. Another one is that questions answerings. Suppose if we could put some images, and if you ask some questions, it will automatically give the answer. So here, suppose if we put some these images, suppose these image put and ask the questions, who wear the glasses? So it will give that answer. It's man. Here it gives the answer woman. Here similarly here, how many children are in the bed? It gives the answer 2, it gives the answer 1, like that kind of applications also we can apply here. And another also the image fill up. Suppose here you can see the lady is I think some waterfall in the front of some waterfall, but when you go remove how will remove that lady from that and fill the pictures. So this is one applications, and big it is also a big applications of that neural network. So just using that one we can remove that face, remove that lady, and also fill the pictures in proper way. Just you can see it's that another very famous applications. And lots of applications are there, but this is not some limited one. So as we progress, then you will see how we will using neural network, how we'll solve the real world scenarios, and also various lots of projects we are going to do. And practically we will see how using this concept we will resolve that kind of problem.